Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the issue that I'm running into. All right, this is an FSM from Playmaker. I'm gonna use the Playmaker method. I'm not gonna waste time with the simple audio, but this is a new scene. It has the FPS micro game attached. As you can see, I have my audio source, nothing but a cube in here, some directional light, and a main camera. So on start, trigger the hover bot movement audio to play using the owner. Owner has an audio source attached. It made sure that you Playmaker. When I play the audio, it's playing. It's playing, and it even says it's playing from here. Problem is that it's not. There's no audio clip attached, and I've been running into an issue with my game development because I can't adjust the spatial blend or anything because from wherever it's playing from in its editor, I can't even narrow it down. I'm looking at this. It's not. There's no audio sources attached anywhere else. So I'm quite puzzled about this one. But yeah, I don't know.